But if you're wondering why the home is empty again, that's because after 2 years of living in Seattle, we are finally again moving. No, finally, I can't use finally because we actually moved every year. And this time, you got to excuse the echo that's in here because the house is still empty. But the first time when we moved to Seattle, we moved from India, so we were like just too busy because with my motorcycle too, I was getting my motorcycle, planning for the trip, didn't have time to do any house tour. The second time we had a little bit of time, but it was COVID had just began in like 2 months. Lockdowns had started. This time we are still in COVID pandemic and we're moving again. Speaking of COVID and pandemic, I like to say that the amenities that are available in apartments and places here have been closed for the whole year. Even our previous place was closed, but they have just opened up. Here it's still closed. I'm not going to show you that for a good reason, also that it's probably easy to figure out where I stay if I show you the outside. So the tour here will only be inside, but what I can do is I can show you the amenities from my previous place. What's the point, right? Oh yeah, the point is those are the things we couldn't use the whole year, but you do pay for that. It's factored into the rent. So let's go to the previous place, look at the amenities, and then we can come back and tour here. Well, hello there. You got sent from the future to the past. This is the place we are leaving, and we might be a little dusty. That's because we've spent the whole day cleaning this place up. And that's because we take pride in giving the place back neater than what we received it at, the state we received it at. And that took us the whole day. Does it save us a little bit of money at least? No? Okay. So in here, even if you clean up this well, in fact, we went all the nook and corners, every corner, every beading, all that has been cleaned. Even if you clean like this, you lose roughly about $300. Is it? Or more? A little over $300, maybe like that's 25,000 odd rupees, $350. You will lose anyway, despite that you clean spick and spanky like this. I know somebody who's lost like $600 or $800 if they didn't clean up this much. Okay, now I didn't call you guys from the future back to the past to show the kitchen or to show the cleaning. It was to show the amenities which we didn't even see for the whole year because it was COVID. So let's go quickly into that. One last look at the amenities that we couldn't use the whole year, and then we move out. Which floor? We don't even know where the rooftop is. अरे rooftop, ये क्या rooftop है रे? पूरा fencing ही है, हाँ? Okay, so what do you think? Did we miss much not having the terrace for the whole year?
I don't think so.
Don't think so, right? Yeah, me neither. Okay, we've never seen our own rooftop, so that looks good. The moon's up in the sky, maybe you can see it, and then there is probably a flight coming in. There's this place around to have barbecue and all. Barbecue? Which one do you like? This one or the one that was in the bottom? And this seems like the dog park, is it?
I don't think this is dog park.
There's no edge, and dogs don't know when to stop, so yeah. What are you saying?
It's small for so many people living here.
Because they did not use all this space, there's one more sit out place here. No, and this is also restrictive. Like there's barely this sunbathing couch, which is not even comfortable, doesn't look comfortable. And then there is trash, and then there is this noisy chute. Man, compared to our downtown place, crazy, right? But at least let's go look at the amenities in the ground floor. You must have seen the barbecue. I posted on my Instagram stories often, not on the vlog. There is apparently also gym and the other stuff that we didn't see yet. So let's go. That's the ground floor barbecue place, and we used to live up there, so I used to post stories of people barbecuing here. So there's the fire pit. Do you want to do it? Fire pit? Fireplace, not really fire pit. Maybe like 2 minutes, 5 minutes. सुन रहे सब बी रोल शॉट हाँ ये सब सिनेमैटिक शॉट नहीं इधर रोटियां ला के सेकना तंदूरी कबाबा बनाना तुम ही ज़रा मैरिनेट करके लेके आए तो ज़रा स्वादिष्ट रहता रिसेप्शन ऑफ आवर बिल्डिंग ओके यहाँ पे फायर डालते हैं यहाँ पे पूरा आग लगा देते हैं दैट्स द मेल रूम सो दैट्स वेयर वी गेट ऑल द पैकेजेस एंड ऑल अच्छा बिग जिम या something I won't ever use. It's got big mirrors which I don't want to look into. बिरयानी कुंडा कपल इंस्टाग्राम करने का है कपल इंस्टाग्राम वर्कआउट्स आई लीड यू वर्कआउट एंड दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स डू नॉट ड्रॉप dumb content on social media. I guess the gym's impressive, right? This one was nice, better than the downtown one. But we had a climbing wall in downtown. We don't have that here, which I would have definitely used if it was here. And then adjacent to this, there is our pool room, the lounge for movies and all. I'm not shooting there, just a small clip here because somebody's sitting and like using there, so I don't want to make them feel uncomfortable. You know, especially for me though, they have put up this poster that if I lift weights or if I try the gym and then something happens, call emergency 911. There it is, all the amenities that we couldn't use for the whole year. And now off to our new home. One last time we pull out of the Alright, now back to our place. Would you like to give us a little tour of the house, please?
So that's the main entrance.
Okay.
Once you enter, on the left we have a coat closet.
क्या डालते हैं इधर? मेरा jackets, my riding jackets, right?
हमारे jackets पूरा garage में. Then this is the kitchen.
Okay.
And we have another door here.
You can almost fit in the fridge, isn't it?
No.
Okay, to keep recipes for biryani, all the ingredients we need for biryani, right?
And this is fully furnished kitchen. Full-size electrical stove with a baking oven attached.
All right.
And on the top we have a microwave oven.
Awesome.
On the left we have a dishwasher. Here we have a full-size fridge.
कुछ है अंदर खाने को?
पानी है शायद.
पानी खाने को है. Bengali.
We have a nice breakfast bar.
Breakfast bar. All right.
और पूरा खाली hall है.
पूरा खाली भर देते ना तुम क्या तो भी ला लेके.
We have a walkway here at the end.
Okay.
There's a desk. Our closet है.
What's the closet? Okay.
I don't know what is the closet.
When did you switch to Hindi, bro, in the vlogs?
And then we have full-size washer and dryer.
Can I see it? Oh, this is older than the one that we had earlier.
Yes, it is.
Oops. Can we show them the stuff that we have new in this house that we didn't have in the previous house?
Yeah, come on. And there's a bedroom.
Right.
We have heater and a nice small closet.
Okay. Small.
We do have fun.
We have fan. Yes. We have fan for the first time, you know. As in like we never had ceiling fans since the time I came to US. Never had a house with a ceiling fan,
It's
right?
not true.
Yeah, when did oh no first house we did have ceiling fan. Second house we missed a ceiling fan. The first house ceiling fan was nahi ke barabar ich tha wo that wouldn't work. Okay.
We have nice lighting here. There's lots
Yeah, good. This time we
of
got
natural lighting plus fan.
plus fan. Yes.
Looks like a desk we can use it.
This is new. This is the first time, you know. So I'm gonna put my Python aquarium here.
Yeah, python and garage.
You know, it looks like I live with her. I never will be able to get a pet snake at all. So there are two more things that we did not have in the previous house. First one is the patio. The actual beauty of this place though would be the surroundings, which unfortunately I cannot show you until I move out of this place. But that's not just this, what's around here. And this is a nice quiet place, isn't it? I just hope so. So let me tell you the reasons why we moved here. Awesome. So this is exclusively my space. You have to have an access card to come here. Get out.
You
बाहर
should
जाओ,
have
बाहर
the keys to
बाहर-
enter home.
अरे क्या होम नक कहो मेरे को, गैराज में सो तू मैं
Okay, bye.
मेरा बाइक्स के साथ।
Bye.
अरे सच में डाल दे रही हूँ गैराज। अरे अरे रुको भाई। So this is the garage space with the automatic door, and it has a dusty pin code lock thing. It's got one light, but I gotta work with it. One extra slot so that I can put my lighting and stuff like that. So maybe I'll take ideas from you. What do you guys want to see on this wall? Or this wall or this wall, and my motorcycles are gonna stay here specifically because in our previous house we had a theft attempt on our R3. Remember that? I posted that on my Instagram. You should follow my Instagram. It's more updated than my vlogs. Alright, I hope you guys loved the video. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Maybe like मार के जाओ। अभी क्या करते हैं अब? अरे dude, भगवान सुन रही? वो देसी लोग अपन लोग क्या करते हैं ना घर में वो होने के बाद वो करेंगे जरा, चलो।